To use Copilot in Microsoft Word, you need an active Microsoft 365 subscription. Make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account that has the subscription. On Windows, open Microsoft Word and click on the File menu in the top left corner. Next, click on Options at the bottom of the left pane. Then, select Copilot from the sidebar. To use Copilot, turn on the checkbox for Enable Copilot. Click OK to save the changes. That's it. You should now see the Copilot button in the top ribbon under the Home tab. If you don't see it, click on Account under the File menu and update your license. Select Update License and sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Make sure the account has an active Microsoft 365 subscription. Then allow Microsoft 365 and Office updates to download and install. Restart Word if required to apply the changes and activate Copilot. On a Mac, open the Microsoft Word app. Click Word from the menu bar at the top of the screen and select Preferences. Choose Copilot and turn on the Copilot toggle. The setting is saved automatically. Go back and confirm that Copilot is enabled and visible in the top ribbon. Now you can enter your project details, writing prompts, or content ideas to quickly generate, analyze, edit, and review content. That's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.